Hey, welcome back. In today's video we are trying to create our ceilings or design our ceilings. First thing first, we should go to the floors. Okay, actually let's go to the ground floor, and as you can see this is not the things that the floor we want. Actually the ceiling have a dedicated and specific plan for it. Where is it? Actually, we have the floor plans, and these are of ground floor, first floor, second floor, roof level, and side. Under below it, there is a ceiling plan, which is the ceiling plan that we want. It consists of ground floor, first floor, second floor, and roof level as we have, but it does not include side. So I'll go to the ground floor. This is the top of my ground floor. Okay, this is my ground floor, but not from the top, from the top. Okay, this is from maybe negative from this is cut it from the height of 3 meters. This is from the height of 4 meters. Okay, so we can see our structures. As you can see, I mean we have the walls, and actually we don't see our beams. Where are they? Okay, let's find out. Let's make this one fine, and let's go with the wireframe. Still we cannot see them. Why is this? Because it's turned off in the visibility graphics. Where is this thing? Actually go to the properties and go to the visibility graphics overrides. It's turned off only in the ceilings because it's not needed, it's not structure, so that's why it's turned off. So this is visibility graphics overrides. You can go with the edit or press VG. It will bring the same thing when you go with the edit. So we have model categories, annotation categories, we have analytical model categories, imported categories, we have filters. Actually I will go with the model categories, and you will go searching for the structural framing. You see that this is not activated. If you don't want to search like this, just go with the S, and it will go to the all S's. You just select this and go S. It will go with the S starting from the first S on your keyboard. Okay, so let's see, this is deactivated. Just click on this and apply, and we can see our beams, but this is not something that I want to see. So structural framing, I want to deactivate it, and I don't want to see it. Okay, so I want to create my ceiling. Where is it? I'll go to the architecture tab in the build panel, and it's here in the ceiling icon. You can see we can click on it, and in the properties panel you can see different types of ceiling. Actually for this video I'll go with this 600 by 600, but let me show you how each behaves. And it's in the level of ground floor because we are in the ground floor. Check this to be in the ground floor, and the height offset. Actually this is very low, 260 centimeters. We have 4 meters. Okay, so our floor is 4 meters as I mentioned. So I don't want to have to something very low. So I want to have maybe something like 360 to have 40 centimeters for the lighting and plumbings in the ceiling. So apply it, and as you can see in the modify place ceiling, we have two types. We have ceiling automatic ceiling or sketch ceiling. Each is different. In the sketch ceiling you should sketch it to create it, and in this one it's automatic. You just click on it and it will be selected. You see, when you go here, something like this has been created. Why is this? Because the walls is bound, it's like bounding or creating a region or a zone for it to be created. Okay, for this one here, also for here. Actually I want to have something like this from this side, maybe. But this is not what I want. For example, I want the ceiling, automatic ceiling, to be here. Okay, I click it on it, just click on it, and go delete it. Oh, Control Z. Okay, just go to the modify, go out from the command, please. Press tab until the ceiling will appear. If we delete it, we have another ceiling on it because we created 2 times. Don't forget to delete it. Okay, and this is how the automatic will create for us. We don't want the ceiling for the elevators and ventilation. Maybe for this floor, maybe. Let's go to the architecture and ceiling. Have this one, click on it. It's created, and click on this. But not for this one because we have a stair. Okay. Another way is that we will go with the sketching ceiling, because in the automatic ceiling it creates a ceiling for this one. Actually, we have an opening here. We don't want this opening covered with the ceiling, so we will go with the sketching. So click on the pick lines and tab, and I'll create something like this. Let's go with this, click on it, and click, and have a click here, have a click, have a click, and trim and extend. Use trim and extend. Okay, trim and extend. It's trimmed and extended. Let me choose this one, trim and extend this. And actually we forgot this, to include this, trim and extend. And now all of them have a ceiling except this. Okay, except this. Let's have a ceiling here. Okay, no, I don't want to have a ceiling here. Actually, maybe, yeah, let's have it. We had ceiling here, we had ceiling here. We created an automatic one. So I will just go finish edit mode, and it says lines cannot intersect each other. The highlighted lines currently intersect. Continue. Actually, we should delete this. Or we can have another thing, which is we can click on this and trim and extend, or Control Z. Let's use split tool, SL, to split it and trim and extend. Okay, and have something like this. We cannot, because we should create another line for here. Trim and extend, trim and extend, trim and extend. Let's, yeah, and trim and extend this one. Now it's okay. So go finish edit mode, and still says lines cannot intersect with each other. I'll say show. What is the problem? Oh, we have an intersection from here. So trim and extend, trim and extend. It's trimmed and extended. Finish edit mode. Now the ceiling has been created. Let's go to the 3D. Okay, and you can see it's very high, so I should change it to maybe 300. Yep, 300. No, a little bit high, 320. Yep, it's good. Actually, no, it's not good. Do you know why? Because I'll go to this ground and select and make it 310, because it's attaching. Now it's good because the beam is not intersecting with it. Okay, this is how we create it. Let me go a little bit high, 315. Let's see how. Okay, maybe a little bit higher, 317. Yeah, now I like it. And yep, this is what we want. and I will select it maybe, and to see it. See, the ceiling has been created. Let me go to the ground floor. I have different types. We have generic, we have 600 by 600, we have 600 by 1200. Actually, I'll go with the 600 and 600 and select. Let me not forget. Let me cross section it and filter it and check none. I'll go with the ceiling. I have 3 ceilings here, and change it to 600 to 600 to see. Okay, and go to the 3D right now, and yeah, can see. Can you see it? Yeah, this is what we want. So this was how we can create the ceilings and change its types, and how we can set a height for it. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.